Hello, class. This is Mr. Hart here. I just wanted to go over in this podcast some of the features of the website. So again, the website is at just hardscience.com. And so if you go to this page, the first thing you'll see is just a welcome page. But I just wanted to go over some of the features of the website. So first of all, there is an About Me page if you actually are interested in knowing about my life. You may not be, but if you do, there you go. Then for every tab, for every class, there's a tab on this bar. So you'll notice I teach physics, earth science, and 8th grade science. So just find the tab that's associated with your class. And then there's a couple of resources in each one of those tabs. So each class has a calendar, a student resources page, and some review videos. So if we go to calendar, you'll see just a standard Google Calendar, and I will try to keep this up to date as much as possible with due dates and what we did in class. And so every point in the calendar, you'll just see little bars that say what was due, what happened, things like that, things you need to know. So check this calendar often for your class, and you'll be on top of your game, and you'll know exactly what is due for class. So again, reference that calendar often. And then there's also the Student Resources tab, and this will be filled with the assignments, common class files like the class textbook, the class syllabus or disclosure document. And then I'll have my PowerPoints on there. I'll have some recommended YouTube channels, which are suggestions for if you missed class or you just want to review topics. These are some videos that I've looked at personally, some channels that do a really good job of explaining the topics. So again, there'll be lots of stuff here once school starts. And again, the most important part will be all the homework assignments will be along here with their due dates. And you will be able to download them and print them off and turn them into class if you ever miss something. So that will be really helpful. And then the last thing is I'll have some review videos on here. So these videos will be either videos of me going over the PowerPoints, or it'll be videos of other people explaining topics, or demos we've done in class. Anything we've talked about, I'll try and get a video on here that kind of explains it. So if you missed a day, you can go in and you can review it, or if you're studying for the unit test, you can go through some of these things and review it. So again, I'll try and keep this up to date with as many resources as possible. So those are the big three things for each class. Each class will have those, and I'll try and keep them up to date so that you can stay on top of things. Also, there'll be a discussion page. This page will be for you to post questions to other students. It goes through a brand called Moot. So we will have to create just a username, but it's really quick, just an email and an account name, and you'll just be able to post to this. So if, for example, you have a question about homework, you'll just click on your class. Let's say you're in 8th grade science, and then you'll just say homework 1, I had a question about problem 6. How do you solve this part, or what's the, where do I look for an answer to this? Things like that. So you can post. Students will be able to help you answer. Please don't share direct answers. That's not what it's meant for. It's meant for guiding other students. But as long as you're using it properly, I'll keep this up here, and it should be a great resource for you to collaborate with the other students in your class to get help on the homework. And I'll also be on there sometimes, and I'll try and answer some questions if I can about topics, especially if there's a specific homework problem that students are struggling with. And so again, that should be a great resource as well. And then last of all, there's a contact me page. So if you ever have any questions and you forgot my email, you can just fill out this little form on here, and you'll be able to send me a message, and I'll get it and I'll respond back to you. So that's the class website. So again, reference it a lot. I'll try to keep it up to date, and there should be plenty of resources to help you to succeed in my classes. So thank you for watching. I hope you had a good day.